Good afternoon, traders. This is David with Alexander Trade and Investment Group. Hey, I just wanted to do a quick video in response to a lot of you all's messages, whether Facebook, text messages, or in DMs. A lot of you guys have asked me how to get set up for GoCharting. So I just wanted to do a quick one, show you how to get it, how to set up for it, how to pay for it. It is a paid service to get bid and asked or volume inside of candlesticks. That's not it's not something that any platform is going to get for free. But the great thing about Go Charting is that it's a hell of a lot cheaper than the other platforms. So if you look at NinjaTrader or if you look at Sierra Charts, they charge a hell of a lot more for the exact same information. And Go Charting is actually web-based, which is actually very convenient as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen, and it's gonna be a quick one, and I'll put all the links in the description. So when you first click on the link, it'll come up to here to where you'll just basically, put you sign in, you put your full name, email, and password. Once you do that, you're gonna go to the main page of Go Charting where you can select which one you want to do. So if you are a Forex trader, if you are a futures trader, if you're an equities trader, um, Go Charting has order flow available for you. So here's the pricing. For again, if you are an equities trader or ETF trader like myself, then you would make sure that you're in the US if you are a US citizen, and then do equities and ETF premium. For annual, it is $17 a month, which you'll get billed for a whole year. But if you want to do monthly, it's a $20 charge per month. And if you sign under me, you will actually get a $5 discount for the first month. So it'll actually be $15 for the first month and then 20 for the rest of the time. If you are a futures trader, CME premium is $35 a month. If you want to do an one-time annual fee is $30. And again, you will get a discount under me if you sign up. And again, if you are a Forex or a crypto trader, then you can do crypto and Forex as well. Currency premium is about $20 a month, and then annually they knock it down to 17. But again, it will be a discount, excuse me, of $5 on anything that you do under the link that I send below. If you look at comparison to NinjaTrader and to Sierra Charts, they're charging within the $100 range to get the same information. All right. So again, just a quick video just to answer. I figured it'd be easier and quicker just to answer it this way rather than going through each message and responding. This Go Charting I've been using for a little over a year, and it's been great. It's web-based, like I said, so it's very convenient. Um, and it's been awesome, man. Again, market profile you can pretty much get from any platform for free, but order flow footprint is something that it's a paid service, and you're definitely gonna have to pay for that information. It is vital information at that. All right. All right, guys. So I hope that helps. I hope that answers a lot of you all's messages and DMs. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to send me a message here or text message. Most of you guys have my personal or my social medias. I definitely will respond back to you. All right, guys. Until next time, hopefully we'll do a video tomorrow, live trade tomorrow on the 27th. But then we have a few reports that come out tomorrow. I can't think of them off the top of my head, but we should get to it tomorrow. All right. Till next time. Peace.